got this big poplar tree over here that blew down well over a year ago in a storm, and it's hung up in these two other trees. It's actually in the crotch of this tree in the center here, and then it's leaning up against this other big poplar tree. And just from the looks of it, even if I got it to fall from this one, it's still gonna hang up in this one. So all three of these have to come down. I cut 2 notches out of the bottom of these 2 trees with a chainsaw, and I'm gonna shove a bag of Tannerite in each of them and shoot them. That way I don't have to be close to this when this all comes down. So I went to town and I bought 2 2-pound packages of Tannerite. I got them bags of Tannerite shoved in here. I decided I'm going to shoot this back one first. This one on the front here, I taped it up really heavy with some really strong Gorilla tape, hoping I'll be able to keep that one in the tree when the other one goes off. I also put a target here on the tree. The rifle that I'm going to be shooting, I haven't shot in like 2 years, so I need to sight it to make sure it's still on. Also, back here at my shooting bench, at the rifle setup, I got it re-sighted, so it's right on at the range we're shooting at. You can see the trees off in the distance there. I'm about 100 yards away, give or take, so that should be a safe distance, I think. So and I'm just going to set up some cameras and put the dog in the house, and here we go. So here's the aftermath. Looks like I should have bored the hole a little deeper in this one. It was a little too tough. So here's our 2 blown up trees. So this one closest to me didn't fall yesterday, but I went and bought another bag of Tannerite, and I was going to cut a little notch out of the back and shove it in there, but then it started creaking, so I got away from it and it fell over on its own, just kind of nice. So since I already bought another bag of Tannerite, I'm going to take this big hanging down one here. So did the same thing. I cut a big hole in there and shoved that bag in there. Yep. So I guess we're 1 for 3 on this. But holy moly, it really blew her apart, but I can't believe it didn't fall.